Welcome back to our channel, where we focus on hair care on a budget. Today, we're diving into the world of natural oils that can transform your 4C hair. Each oil has its unique properties, perfect for nourishing and protecting your precious locks. First on our list is black seed oil, known scientifically as Nigella sativa oil. This remarkable oil boasts antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, providing a protective barrier for both the scalp and strands. Its rich antioxidant content and fatty acids ensure that moisture is locked in, fostering vibrant hair growth that can handle whatever life throws its way. Next up is coconut oil, a go-to staple for many. Renowned for its deep penetration into the hair shaft, coconut oil not only moisturizes but also strengthens 4C hair through its wealth of vitamins and fatty acids. However, caution is advised. Always perform a patch test. Use it moderately to steer clear of buildup, and don't forget to warm it in your hands before application to prevent dragging. We can't overlook castor oil, a thick and nourishing oil ideal for afro-textured hair. Brimming with fatty acids and vitamin E, it retains moisture brilliantly. We recommend using it once a week, diluted with water, to maintain the right balance without unwanted residue. Olive oil brings a lightweight charm to the mix, characterized by its high oleic acid content. Although it's rich in antioxidants, avoid applying it directly on the scalp to minimize potential buildup, ensuring that moisture glides through every strand effortlessly. Jojoba oil deserves praise for its unique ability to mimic the natural oils produced by our scalp. This trait is crucial for maintaining balanced oil production, providing moisture without weighing down the hair. Argan oil is next, and its non-greasy consistency is perfect for 4C textures. With its nourishing antioxidants and fatty acids, argan oil not only protects, but also enhances shine, making hair vibrant and gorgeous. Avocado oil, while luxurious, should be used sparingly due to its thickness. It hydrates like no other, improving elasticity and strength when used wisely, often mixed with lighter oils to prevent buildup. Marula oil often remains a hidden gem in the hair care realm, revitalizing hair with vitamins E and C. It protects against environmental factors, promoting healthy hair growth while enhancing overall hair health. Incorporate these oils into your routine and watch your 4C hair flourish. Rosemary oil is a natural stimulant that's ideal for boosting circulation to the scalp, promoting healthy 4C hair growth and reducing thinning. It is also a great oil for tackling dandruff and other scalp conditions. As this is an essential oil, you should always dilute this with a carrier oil before applying to the hair and scalp to avoid irritation. Finally, baobab oil use. Baobab oil to hydrate and strengthen your 4C hair. This lightweight but nourishing oil is perfect for moisturizing parched locks and would be one of the best choices for low porosity hair. It's great for reducing breakages and promoting healthy regrowth, as well as improving the elasticity of the locks. Embracing the beauty of 4C hair is a journey filled with experimentation and self-care. One essential aspect of this transformation lies in deep conditioning, which nourishes and hydrates natural curls. By utilizing readily available natural oils, you can create powerful DIY deep conditioners that cater specifically to the needs of your hair type. One effective option is a simple mixture of honey and olive oil, both renowned for their moisturizing properties. Combining equal parts of each, apply this delightful concoction to your hair. The luscious texture will glide through your locks, enveloping them with moisture. For optimal results, let it sit for 20 to 40 minutes, during which time the honey acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the hair while the olive oil nourishes from within. For a protein boost, consider the egg yolk and coconut oil blend. With 1 egg yolk whisked together with 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, your hair receives essential fatty acids and protein. Apply this mixture generously, allowing it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. As it works its magic, visualize your 4C strands absorbing the nutrients, leaving them stronger and more resilient after each treatment. Another fabulous combination is the shea butter, coconut oil, and Jamaican castor oil blend. By mixing half a cup of softened shea butter with 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of Jamaican castor oil, you're creating a luxurious treatment enriched with vitamins. Add a few drops of rosemary and tea tree oil for added benefits. This blend heals and revitalizes dry hair while providing lasting hydration. Not to be overlooked is the versatility of an aloe vera mix. Combining aloe vera gel with hydrazine protein and your favorite moisturizing oil creates a nurturing deep conditioner. Apply it to freshly cleansed hair and allow it to work for 15 to 25 minutes, during which time your hair will soak in moisture and feel rejuvenated. Alternatively, try a banana peel mask. Blending banana peels and straining the mixture offers a shiny finish to thirsty locks. Incorporating mayonnaise into your routine adds a creamy texture that deeply conditions. Packed with proteins and healthy fats, massage this delightful condiment into dry and damaged strands for a revitalizing treatment. Regardless of the method you choose, remember to apply your chosen deep conditioner to clean, damp hair, ensuring even distribution from roots to ends. Covering with a shower cap while using heat or steam intensifies the treatment, allowing your curls to thrive. Rinse out thoroughly with warm water and unveil your transformed hydrated 4C hair. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.